Developing tonight, a high-profile cold case murder could be an early test for Illinois' new law to end cash bail. Julie Hanson was murdered in 1972 in Naperville when she was just 15 years old. Police charged Barry Welpley, and that was nearly 50 years later. Now, as he awaits trial, his attorneys say he should be let out of jail. NBC5's Regina Waldroup has much more.
The case baffled investigators. Julie Ann Hanson was stabbed to death. Her body found in a field near 87th and Modaff in Naperville. She was 15. Peggy Thompson, her neighbor.
She was one of our babysitters.
Almost 5 decades later, a breakthrough. Police arrested this man, Barry Lee Welpley of Minnesota, in 2021. Authorities said DNA evidence linked him to the case. Welpley was charged with 3 counts of first-degree murder. His bond set at $10 million. He remains in custody at the Will County Jail. With new rules for bail taking effect Monday, Welpley's attorney is hoping the changes could get his client out. Under the new system, instead of posting cash bail, judges will decide if defendants can be held in custody until trial. His attorney recently filed this motion to vacate Welpley's bail, telling NBC5 that under provisions of the new Safety Act, to deny his client's release, the prosecution must convince the court Welpley is a present danger to an individual or the community. He goes on to say in his statement, he's been charged with a murder which took place almost 50 years ago. Welpley's 78, and there's no evidence he's engaged in any recent criminal conduct. Consequently, the prosecution cannot establish he's a present danger to the community and is entitled to be released.
We're going to start to see a lot of these sort of motions with people who are currently held and can't post the money that they would be required to get out of jail.
Sarah Toney's a criminal defense attorney. She's not affiliated with Welpley's case, but sharing her thoughts on the latest developments.
If the attorney can show that there's no present specific real threat, he would be eligible for release.
Peggy Thompson says the crime changed her community. She wants Welpley to stay in jail.
He needs to stay there until a court determines him guilty or not guilty.
And the issue is set to be argued before a Will County judge later this month. Reporting from Naperville, I'm Regina Waldroup, NBC5 News.